Hello everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok account. So watch this video till the end. First, open up your TikTok app. Then tap on Profile that is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on three horizontal lines that is on the top right corner of your screen. A menu bar will pop up. Tap on Settings and Privacy. On Settings and Privacy page, tap on Account. On Account page, you will find Deactivate or Delete Account option. Tap on it. Now tap on Delete Account Permanently option. It will ask you why are you leaving TikTok. You can either skip it or choose the option. For this video, I will skip it. There you will see by continuing you reviewed your data request and wish to continue deleting your account option. Tap on it and tap on continue. It will ask you, do you want to continue to delete this account? Tap on continue. Now enter the 6-digit code sent by TikTok. And tap on delete account. A pop-up will appear. Tap on delete. So that is how you delete TikTok account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.